Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. So as you know, my dear friends, mathematics is the matter of concern for most of the students. Okay, so this is the second sem mathematics for the civil stream students. Okay, so if they want to pass the mathematics subject, if they are struggling, so they have to focus on the three modules which I will discuss here so that they can pass the subject, and also they have to take one question from rest of the two modules, so which I will later on intimate over here. So first of all, the passing module is module 5th, in which you have to cover four concepts like Taylor series method, Runge kutta method of fourth order, modified Euler's method, and milnes predictor corrector formula. Okay, these are the four methods which you have to focus, which you have to practice. So formulas will be available in the handbook itself. Okay, so no need to remember the formulas as in the earlier schemes like 2018 scheme. So students were supposed to remember these formulas, which was somehow typical to remember over there. Okay, now it is somehow easier. You have to only practice, rest of the formulas will be available. Okay, so just focus on these four concepts and prepare fully this module as it is the passing module. Okay, next is the module 4, which is also a passing module, so better to not leave any topic, okay, from these two modules like regula falsi method, which is the most important one. Definitely one question will be on this 7 marks question, and Newton raphson method, Newton's forward and backward difference formula, and Newton's divided difference formula, and Lagrange's interpolation formula. These are the important topics and important methods which you have to practice. Okay, so next is the in or part Simpson's 1/3 rule and 3/8 rule, and trapezoidal rule. Evaluate. Suppose this is the example, integral of 0 to 1 upon 1 plus x squared dx. Okay, so you have to apply the trapezoidal rule. Okay, so my voice will be maybe breaking in this video just because I'm not feeling well today. So but I'm making the videos for you people, as you have the examinations very near now. Maybe in the July month you may be having examinations of second semester, right? So this is all about the module 5 and module 4. You should go through fully these modules, as this is the possibility if somebody is lagging in the mathematics subject, as these are the two simpler chapters which everybody can tackle. Okay, no matter if you are weak in the differentiation or integration, okay, but you can tackle these two modules, and you have to necessarily cover these two modules fully over there. Okay, and I'm telling you, no, and you should not leave any topic from these modules. Okay, I hope so you will do it. So next now is the module 2, which is again a passing module. So this is the vector differentiation. Actually it is the vector calculus, in which two chapters are there, vector differentiation and vector integration. Okay, so module 2, you have to cover the questions like find the angle between surfaces x square plus y square minus z square is equal to 4, and z is equal to x square plus y square minus 13 at 2 comma 1 comma 2. So you have to practice 4 questions from this concept, that is angle between surfaces, right? So next is if f is equal to grad of xy square xy cube z square, find divergence of f and curl of f at point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. So these are very simpler topics, and also I have made separate videos for these concepts. I will provide the link in the description box. You can go through and avail these topics. Okay, next is find the directional derivative of x square yz cube at 1 comma 1 comma 1 in the direction of I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap, right? So try to cover four questions from each topic, whatever I am telling you over here. So next is show that vectors are solenoidal and irrotational. Also two problems you just practice from these concepts, and finally find the grad of phi. So these will be also the questions in which you have to find out the gradient of phi, and vectors will be given. Okay, so I have written here, try 4 problems from each concept so that you can easily grab 15 to 20 marks in this module also. Okay, so these are the 3 modules which I discussed: module 2, module 4, 5 and module 4. These are the passing modules. Okay, there is no question of leaving any topic from these 3 modules. Okay, so I hope you will cover all the portions from these 3 modules. So it is possible to pass the mathematics subject with the 3 modules if and only if you cover full portions from these modules, then only it becomes possible. But sometimes what happens in the VTU examination, papers are literally unexpected sometimes. Okay, so at that time it is not the safer zone, so better to go for other modules also. If you take only one question, that matters a lot. Okay, so module 3 you have to cover questions on eliminating arbitrary constants for a partial differential equation, or you have to go through eliminating arbitrary function. You have to form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function. Better to go for this question. Just practice these questions and derive one-dimensional wave equation. This may be the definite question over there. Okay, if you prepare one-dimensional wave equation and heat equation also. This is your one-dimensional heat equation. Okay, dou u by dou t is equal to c square dou square u by dou x square, right? This is also a definite question, maybe there. Okay, this much portion is enough to cover module 3rd, and if you also want to touch module 1, so you have to go through these super important derivations like gamma of 1 by 2 is equal to root of pi, and beta of m comma n is equal to gamma of m into gamma of n divided by gamma of m plus n. Okay, and integral 0 to pi by 2 root of sine theta d theta multiplied by 0 to pi by 2 integral d theta by root of sine theta is equal to pi. Okay, these are the three derivations. One derivation will be in the examination, 7 marks. Okay, next if somebody wants to score, they have to touch also the triple integration part and also the changing the order of integration. Okay, this is triple integral of this one, x plus y plus z dy dx dz, and evaluate integrals by changing the order of integration. Okay, this much portion is enough. If somebody covers, they can easily pass mathematics subject with the flying colors. Okay, so only thing in the mathematics subject is practicing the problems, variety of problems and varieties of times over there. Okay, so I wish you all the best for your examinations, and thank you for watching my video.